Hi guys, welcome to the video. Want this quality? Let's get into the video. Make sure pre-compose and ready your clips. Let's export them using the vocoder plugin for get better quality to enhance the video. After exporting the video, import to the Topaz software. Copy my settings. Make sure audio mode, none, because Topaz can destroy your audio. And then container must be MOV file. Click export, it will load the model and enhance the video. See the video quality in this output. Thanks for watching guys, see you in next video.